video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about our Manage Users page. So y'all can see that I have arrived to my admin panel. So we will arrive to this page once an admin has been signed in. So y'all can see that in the sidebar, I have added three options as the dashboard, the Manage Users page, and the Manage Products page. So using this option, I will arrive to our Manage All Users page. So this is the design of this Manage All Users page. So if we talk about the design of this page, y'all can see that on the top, I have added a heading as Manage All Users. So for this heading, I have given a blue color text and I have also given a white, kind of a light background. And next, in our next section, I have given a gradient background. So in this background, I have given all our tables and our search bars. So firstly, I have given our search bar to search a user. So over here, I have given a button to search that user. So next, I have inserted our tables. So these tables are created using divs and borders. So they are not created in the table format. So we'll be talking about how we created this when we move on to our backend codes. So in these tables, you can see that I have given some different sections with two colors. So over here, I have given our IDs. So these IDs are for our user IDs. So for example, let's think 10 users have logged in. So then all the IDs until 10 will load up in this table. So yeah, over here, I have given our profile image, the user's name, email, mobile, the registered date, and over here I have given a block and unblock option. So over here you can see that I have taken these from my database, including the profile images as well. So let's check what happens when we unblock a user. Block a user. So over here, you can see that I have given an option as block. So once I click it, blocked, and once I reload it, you can see that that user has been blocked. So if we move on to our database, okay, when we move on to our database, you can see that the status has changed to 0. So let's see what happens when we again unblock the user and reload. Okay, database, reload. Yes, you can see that the status has changed. So this status in our database is to check whether a user is available or not. Okay, so this is the process of this user unblock and blocking. So over here, you can see that I have added my pagination. So the total results per page is equal to 20. So the maximum amount of users are 20 in one page. So let's move on to see the backend codes I have given to create this page. Okay, so here we are in our manage users.php file. So on the top, you can see that I have given our PHP script. So I have given a require for my connection.php file because we'll be needing it. And then from here, I have started our HTML codes. So our version tag and our HTML tag, which is used to indicate that these codes are all HTML. And over here, I have given our head container with all our head elements. And from here, I have started our body section. So in our body section, I have given a main background color as a hash code, and I have given the background image as a linear gradient. And I have created this design inside two main divs, the container fluid and the row. So over here, I have given our title. So for this div, I have given a call to a BG light and a text center. And for our label, manage all users, I have given classes such as form label, text primary, and font weight bold, and a font size as 1. So over here, I have given our search bar. So inside this call 12 and the margin top 3, I have given our text field over here and our button over here. So next, let's see what I have done Yes, over here I have created our table top. So I said that these tables are not created in the table format. They are created using divs and borders. So y'all can see that for this table top, which we have created over here, are done using these codes. So for this, I have given a main div, a cultural MT3 and an MB4, and I have also given a row. And from here onwards, I have given the ID, profile image, username, email, mobile, and the registered date. And over here, I have given an empty div to add our block and unblock options. So over here for these tabletops, I have given a call to collage 1, BG primary, P by 2, and a text end. So I have given various call sizes over here. So like call 2, and a call 4, call 2, and call 2. So likewise. So over here, I have given our pagination part. So y'all can see that I have given a PHP script. Inside that, I have given a $query, which is equals to select all from user. So this is like a main query and we can use it anywhere we want. And over here, I have set $page no. So if I have got a $_get page, then my page number should be equals to that page. So if not, then the page number should be equals to 1. So over here, I have taken result sets. So our user RS, our user result set is equals to the database search query we made over here. So next, I have taken the num rows from our result set. So over here, y'all can see that I have made results per page is equals to 20. So I said y'all that when we were discussing about the design of the page, and I have assigned the seal user num results per page the number of pages. So this seal stands for like rounding off to the nearest multiple. It's like tens and all. So next we have our page results and our selected RS. So likewise, we have talked about these pagination parts in our previous videos as well. Okay, so let's see what I have inserted to these tables I have given. So over here, I have given a div, a cultural MT3, an MB3, and over here the row. So over here, I have given our ID part. So this part. So again, if we go to our backend code, you can see that inside this span, I have given a FS4, a text doc, and inside this span, I have given as the option a PHP script, and I have echoed $x plus 1. So this $x is created over here inside this for loop. That means if one user is there, and after the next user is there, 1 plus 1 should be equals to 2. So if another user is joined, then 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So likewise, 1, 2, 3 will come in order. So next over here, we have our image. So I have added our image over here. So I have also given an on-click for it as view message model. And inside this, I have created a PHP script. So inside this PHP script, I have taken the result set of our images and the image num of it and our image data. And I have set those data as our images over here. Okay, so in our backend code, you can see that I have given an on-click as view message model. So let's see what I have done in this function. Okay, so if I take view message model over here. Yes, so over here I have created this function. So I have assigned var mm to a global variable, and I have started our function over here. So I have taken the email over here, and I have assigned var m to document that get element by ID user message model plus email. So we have created this user message model in the model that we have created. So I'll be showing all that as well. So then MM is equals to new bootstrap model M, and then it should be shown. Okay, so back to our code. So over here, this is the process of the view message. So next we have loaded our user's F name and L name, and over here the user's email, and over here the user's mobile and the join date. And over here for the buttons, the block and unblock, I have given a PHP script with an if block as $selected data status is equals to 1. Then our button ID should be equals to UP PHP echo selected data email. So then I have given a class as BT and danger and an onClick as a block user, and I have also sent the email of the user with this onClick. So I have done the same thing to our unblock process as well over here inside this else. So let's see what we have done in this block user process. Okay. So if we move on, yes, so over here I have created our function block user. So I have taken the email as well. So var request is equals to the new XML HTTP request. So if our ready state is equals to 4, then var txt should be our response text. So if our response text is equals to blocked, then our document that gets element by id ub plus email in a HTML should be equals to unblock, and then its class should be changed in the BTN success. So if it's unblocked, then our inner HTML should be block, and then the class should be changed to BTN danger. So I have sent these details in the get method to our user block process.php file. So let's see what we have done in that file. So these are the codes I have given for this blocking process. So inside this PHP script, y'all can see that I have given the require for my connection.php. So if I have got the email from $get, y'all can see that $user email is equals to that email we got from our get method. And I have taken the result set of our user from here. So if our user num is equals to 1, then then we should fetch the data from our result set and assign it to user data. So if our user data status is equals to 1, then our database should update user and set the status to 0, where the user email should be equals to $user email. And we should also get an echo as blocked. So simply what this process does is, if the button we get is blocked, and once we click it, a user will be blocked. So once a user is blocked, then he or she's status should be set to 0. So 0 stands for unavailable. So the opposite happens when we unblock a user. Okay, back to our manage users code. So next we have our message model. So y'all can see that over here I have given our user message model ID. So y'all can see that I have also sent a PHP echo as selected data. So let me show y'all this message model. So I have added this message model once we click the profile image. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is our message model, and this is how it's viewed. So we can send a message using this message model as well. Okay, so back to our code. So this model is taken by Bootstrap, and you can see that I have taken the user's F name and L name over here, and then I have hard-coded some text. Okay, so over here I have coded our send admin message, and over here our save changes. So this is our message. So over here I have added our pagination. So we don't have anything big to talk over here because we have talked about this pagination in our previous videos as well. So this is it for our manage users.php file. So I hope you all understood what I explained. So I'll be back with a new video, so stay tuned until then. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So thank you. Have a nice day and bye.